Welcome back to Greasy Corner Garage NC. Here we are at Robertown at the Lutheran Cross of Christ Church, and we're here at the car show. We showed up here about 8:15 or so. We went there and got some breakfast. You know, they cook a men's breakfast here. I think it's the second Saturday of every month. I believe it's the second Saturday, but either way, you might have double checked that on me. You can go to their website and figure it out. But and there's some cars that we haven't seen, and there's some cars that we have seen here. There's three beautiful Mustangs over here, as you can see them. The orange, yellow, and blue one over there. So stick with us to the end of this video. I've got some more cool things to show you. I really thank y'all for participating and supporting me and supporting the channel. Thank you so much. And like this and share this with all your friends. I really appreciate it. You know, YouTube's still telling me I've got 92% of viewers are not subscribed. So please go subscribe. You know, even if you don't want to watch us all the time, it'll just move on to the back, you know, but I need some subscribers so we can cross that bridge of getting monetized, and then we can start going to Carlisle, going out to California, going up to Dearborn, Michigan. I just heard about a cool car show that's up there. I would love to go up there, and we might still go up there either way. But it would definitely help if you go buy some apparel, buy some hats and toboggans. It's getting cool. I got plenty of sweatshirts. I got 2XLs, medium. No, I don't have mediums. Everything but medium. So basically large and up I've got. And anything bigger than that or anything special requests, just let me know. Just go in there and contact me and we'll get it made. Man, I really appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. Y'all have a blessed day. 53, 3100. That's for all you Mopar guys, Satellite. All right, so y'all help remind me that we're gonna start here at this blue car. Pretty sure it's a Mopar. Not real sure what it is. Oh, it's a Roadrunner. Now I see the front end. Oh yeah. This is a 1970 Charger. Probably the most hot rodded and most common Mopar to see. Here's another Charger. Look at the engine on that thing. Oh yeah. Absolutely beautiful car. Immaculate car. Wow. Got a 63 Impala. Red on red. Look at there. Yeah. You're fine. You make the video better. (1938) Chevrolet Coupe. (1954) in memory of Jimmy Cox. Look at that. Beautiful car. It's a Vega. I think this car was here last year. I heard this car picked the front tires off the ground.
Yeah, ask him about it.
That's right. And I've always liked these little kit cars. That would be so fun. Just, you know, out in the wind, low to the ground. That'd be fun. What we got here? Ford 28, big block Ford. You see the light on? We might have a dead battery at the end of this day. That's a clean truck. Wow.
Mom said I had to keep going, taking stuff back out. He bought most of the Ford wheel covers over there. He bought all the good Ford wheel covers.
Now, as you can see, that's the problem with the lift-off hood. What do you do with it? You just throw it up on the paint like that? You know, that's always been a problem with those cars, which is really cool though. Look at that up under the hood. That's why you gotta take the hood off. I hope no leaves or acorns fall down in there.
That's what we were just, I was looking all ago. Ain't nothing fell in it yet. So I was like, I need to put some rags over there. I keep little caps, and I was leaving out this morning. I didn't get them. I said, we thought we might be out there, which we were last time. So
hey, look,
we're gonna
it's
see.
got the 70.
Yeah.
It's got the 70. It's got the,
That's why I went.
it's got the 70 hot rodded.
Yeah. I wanted that 70s pro stock with the shocks and all that stuff.
The two Fords and the wheels.
I've got some little tiny ones, but they don't flow a lot. So usually if I had them off, I would take them down.
What's your name? Do I stand right, ladies and gentlemen, 4 folks out here is gonna win lunch. You can't get any better than that. Got 4 vouchers up there for lunch. First, this is your little red ticket you got when you registered your car, or truck, or motorcycle, or registered yourself, whatever. The first winning ticket, the last 4 digits, 0077. 0077. Make your way on up to the DJ table, please. The next winning ticket, 0064. 0064.
She's so cute. Bye, y'all.
Next winning ticket, 0055. 55. And the last one for now is 0014. 0014. One more time, we got 14, 55, 64, and 77.
Same thing.
Yeah, fine.
For sale, diggity. That's pretty cool.
All right, we're still looking for 77 and 64. 77 and 64.
Lunch. I didn't. My father. Thank you.
Excuse me. Yeah, flathead. That's cool.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, as far as I know, if they're sticking to what they said, the parish hall will be closing down right now. Open back up and around 11 o'clock, a little after, for hot dogs and hamburgers. And I'll make the announcement as soon as they're ready to start serving lunch.
All right, so y'all remember where we started at? Y'all comment and let me know if I started in the right place. I think it was at the end of all these Chryslers over here.
Yeah.
Hope y'all are enjoying yourself. That was some really cool cars over there. Now we're going to the back half over here in the sun.
Good to see you, man.
It's good to see you too. Excuse me, sorry. color of this car. This is cool. 56. The interior's done up really nice. I like the wheel selection too. It's cool. $327. '71 Ford Torino. This is the all original car. I think it had a repaint about 30 years ago. It is an original car. Very cool car. Yeah. Really? Another flathead.
Yeah. No.
It's the 1951. Oh yeah, she's beautiful. Beautiful. That looks a lot like the 66 at the Refuge Church. Same wheels, same tires. About 10 years difference in year. And it's a DL.
You claim your prize. At the end of the event, after we do the trophy presentation, your ticket will still be eligible for a $100.
We got a C10. These are hot commodities right now in the truck world. This one being a four-wheel drive,
Back to back. I should be more careful.
even better.
But I've already got them, so I'm going to call them out. 0019, 0018. 19 and 18.
All my Fox Body friends, here we go.
Once again, that's 19 and 18. Are you out there? Yeah. Here we go. Don't run. Don't run.
Shout out the June Bug. Nice 70s nostalgia. You see what's coming up. Next row.
Winning tickets. Then we'll give it a rest, come back and do a couple more.
how clean that thing is.
0009.
Beautiful.
0009. The other winning ticket is 0086.
There you go. That's what the car looked like stock. Big transformation, isn't it?
And 0009. 9 and 86. Come on up here. Or somebody just scream.
You guys all know the Zephyr? Go to greasycornergarage.com. Help support our channel and shop and everything else that we're doing for the Lord. Look at the color of that interior. That is so
All
cool.
right, we're just waiting for one more right now. That's ticket number 9. That's an early arrival this morning. Number 9.
Look at that.
They are in the order of when you arrive, so. Number 9. Everybody remember the Beatles song, Revolution Number 9? Not to worry, I won't be playing it. All right, number 9. Don Bradford, that's you, buddies. Coming to you. Gonna be hand delivered.
The sucker's clean under the hood. Look, but don't touch. Look at the bed in that thing. Oh. van's probably the most unique. This is probably the most unique. Sorry, the GoPro went a little crazy there. Or I should say the
Main
camera.
thing just to keep it building up too much pressure and pushing it over the plate.
Yep.
I tell you, take and put a rubber hose on it, and just put you some vice grips on it when you cut the car off.
I already did that. And it didn't help.
It did.
No.
Yeah, that's what you told me.
The ball, it won't out. What was it?
Just out of the bowl of the car.
Restoration here. Over there. It's just restored all the way back to the original. Yeah, that's cool. Ford 250.
That's what he was just telling me.
But I mean, is that closing off or not?
Here we are, Bel Air. It's a 55. Yep.
Thanks, I needed that.
I like the copper and the brown. Looks good. See if we can get the light to adjust. Yeah, beautiful V8 in there.
This lady down on Goldview Road, 173, is a four-door car, Chevelle, and she bought it brand new. And he bought that whole car for $400. We pulled the motor out of it, and they set it in the shop, we got put it on 54.
It's got an LS in it.
Jack Fox.
Jack Fox.
He wants to know where you got that shirt.
Oh, okay. That's a code name Fox.
Okay.
Yeah, so
He's not here. He just took
Oh,
off
okay.
walking, but I said,
yeah, we play with Fairmonts and Zephyrs, and they're the original Fox body of the Fox body platform for Mustangs. So that's the whole code name Fox idea. But yeah, it'd represent him as well, wouldn't it? That's good.
all right.
How are y'all doing today?
Good, how are you, buddy? Turtle's gonna be fine.
Got the Honda Del Sol.
Oh yeah.
This is the president of the Ford Owner Association of the Carolina. It's one of his many trucks, fully restored. Yep. Big block Ford FE. And then we're going to finish the show up with a Hyundai. There we are. I think that's going to conclude it for today. I believe, no, I heard a car sneak in on me. I'll probably walk by there and check it out here in a minute. But I really appreciate for y'all watching all the way through today. Thank you so much. I'm not going to go through the normal routine. Y'all just have a blessed day today. All right.
All right, folks, we got 3, count them, 1, 2, 3, whole pound cakes. How much? $20? $20 each.
So I figured I'll pop this in here in this video. This is just a little bit of history about me, my family, and then my relationship and our relationship with Jesus Christ. My family, we came over here 7 generations ago, and there was 2 brothers. One went to Pennsylvania, one went south. I think they came in on the Boston Harbor, and they actually were on a ship that was named Two Brothers. Came from Germany. The one that came here, the nearest Lutheran homestead, because they wanted to be around like-minded believers, was here in Reimertown, North Carolina. So this is some of my family right here. And as you can see, that's Harold Lee. And you can make out this one, 32, 06, 1910, 35. This is Frank Faggart. And that's the F-A-G-G-A-R-T, emphasize on the A-R-T, haha. And can't really make that one out. I think it says DM Faggart, the year on it is 09. So, but there's some more older ones that are around here. I'm gonna look for them. But then there's some other property that where actually Jacob Faggart was buried, and that is the original, the one that came over is named Jacob. So anyway, I just figured I'll let y'all know a little bit more about me, a little bit more about this church, Cross of Christ Lutheran Church in Romertown, North Carolina. Thank y'all so much, and y'all have a blessed day.